Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will like to show you the way how to convert your Apple Notes files into PDF format documents. How to do that? You just need to open your app library and then you just need to type notes to find the Apple Notes on your on your iPhone. And whenever you got it, you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just go open the files that you have been created with the Apple Notes, and here is the articles that I just created here, and I want to export this become a PDF format. How to do that? You just need to take a look on the top side here. There will be like this share button or icon. Just go click them, and the next thing you need to do is just go scrolling up until you find the print informations down here. So you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just go click this share button over here, and you just need to scrolling down again until you found files, save to files, and then you just need to go click save to files and pick the folders, and then you just need to go click save. The next thing you need to do is just go back into your home screen and open your files, and then you just need to find the title of your articles before, and here is the result. The files are already saved into the PDF documents. So that is the way how to save your Apple Notes documents become a PDF format. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.